online classes? Yes. Today we are going to read a new poem and very interesting poem, that is The Spinning Sage. Yes, all of you open your textbook. Open the page number 34. A new poem, that is The Spinning Sage. Yes, here. And The Spinning Sage was written by the author William Thackeray. Who is that? William Thackeray. Pronounce once again. William Thackeray. Understood? Yes. First of all, on the screen you see this picture, right? See. On the screen you see this picture. Whose picture is this? Yes. This is the picture of sage. Who is this? This picture is of sage. Yes. See, what do you mean by sage? What is sage? Sage is a very wise person. Understood? And who tells a moral values to us and to the people also. See, these are some interesting words about this poem. You have to practice in your home these interesting words. I will tell you one by one. Sage, days of yore, pigtail, hung, mused, curious, hanging, dangling, mystery, puzzled, spin, stout, steadily, slack, twist, twirl, tack. Understood? These are the interesting words. Yes. As you see this picture here, as you see this picture here, sage wears orange cloths, right? Sage wears orange cloths and sage wears wooden slippers also. See, sage wears wooden slippers also, and he wears orange cloths. And sage is a very wise person also. Understood? But today we are going to read a different something about sage also. We have to learn a different something about the sage. As here we will read about the foolishness of the sage. Here sage has somewhat foolishness. What type of foolishness is that? Yes, you see here pigtail of the sage. Can see here pigtail of the sage. See, this is the pigtail of the sage. This pigtail has come in front of his head. This pigtail has come in front of his head. Or you saw in anywhere anybody's pigtail is comes in front of his head? No, it cannot possible, right? This is the foolishness of the sage. He thought that his pigtail has come in front of his head. He tried so many times that pigtail twirling and also moving round and round, but that pigtail did not come in front of his head. Understood? This is the foolishness of the sage. And here we have to learn about his foolishness. And he has the different type of sage. Next, see here. Shall I ask you some question? What do you understand by sage? Sage is a very wise person. And also he wear a orange cloth also. And he wear a wooden slippers. Understood? Yes. And we have to learn here a somewhat different about the sage. Yes. See your textbook. Now I am going to read a poem. Listen carefully. The Spinning Sage. Spinning means moving. Spinning means moving. Understood? Yes. I read out the poem. There lived a sage in days of yore, and he a handsome pigtail wore, but wondered much and sorrowed more, because it hung behind him. He mused upon this curious case, and swore he would change the pigtail's place, and have it hanging at his face, not dangling there behind him. Says he, the mystery I have found, I will turn me round. He turned him round, but still it hung behind him. Then round and out and in, all day the puzzled sage did spin. In vain it mattered not a pin, the pigtail hung behind him. And right and left and round about, and up and down and in and out, he turned, but still the pigtail stout hung steadily behind him. And though his efforts never slack, and though he twist and twirl and tack, alas, still faithful to his back, the pigtail hangs behind him. Yes, this is the poem of the spinning sage. Yes, now I am going to tell a difficult words, and you have to underline those difficult words in your textbook. Yes, first all of you take a pencil in your hand and underline what I am dictating a difficult words. Right? Yes. In the first stanza, see, underline sage. First line, sage. Underline that word. Days of yore. Underline days of yore. Pigtail. Sorrowed. Wondered. Hung. Understood? These are the difficult words of first stanza. All of you completed? Come to the second stanza. Underline mused, swore, hanging, dangling. Completed? Come to the third stanza. Underline mystery, turned. Completed? Come to the fourth stanza. Underline puzzled, spin, mattered. Next, come to the fifth stanza. Underline round, stout, steadily. Come to the last stanza. Underline though, slack, twist, twirl, tack, faithful. These are the difficult words. I hope all of you underline those difficult words. Yes, my dear students, in the next class, I will give the explanation of this poem. Thank you.